I have just finished filming a skit that will teach you to use the present perfect tense to say what has just happened.
Robert teaches English.
Listen for the present perfect tense in the following skit, then I will teach you how we use it.
Hey guys, so I've just witnessed what looks like an evil monkey wandering around my apartment, and I would normally run, but I've recently eaten a cheeseburger, and I don't think I could run. Luckily, I don't believe it has seen me yet. If I'm just quiet. Oh no. Hey guys, so I've just spotted the monkey again. So I'm hiding in this shoe closet now, and as long as I'm quiet enough, I don't know if he'll spot me, but I do fear for my life. My guess would be that this monkey has already killed over 700. Oh no. Oh no.
When we use the present perfect tense to talk about what has just happened, it is common to use words like just.
I've just witnessed what looks like an evil monkey. Hey guys, so I've just spotted the monkey again.
Or recently, when we do this.
I've recently eaten a cheeseburger.
I've just shown you an example from the skit, but this is also an example. I have recently showered, so I smell wonderful. We can also use the present perfect tense with yet to make a negative statement about something that we think we will do soon or that we think will happen soon.
Luckily, I don't believe it has seen me yet.
I haven't finished this video yet, but I will soon. That is, unless you have any questions.
Hey Robert, do we always have to use words like just or recently when we use the present perfect tense like this?
In the United States, it is more uncommon to use the present perfect tense in this way without words like just or recently. For example, if I saw a ghost and you asked me, "What happened?" I would say,
I saw a ghost.
We usually use the simple past tense. However, in British English, it's more common to use this without those sorts of words. If a British person saw the same ghost, that person might say,
I've seen a ghost.
Now for practice, answer this question. What have you done recently? Answer in the comments below, along with any other questions you have for me. As always, thank you for learning with me. I hope you know you're doing a great job, and I hope you know I believe in you. I'll see you soon.
Please subscribe.